Hello, it's Janet. I wanted to show you here. This is so I can hear you, right? How are you today? I've gone to the area outside of where I live, and I was about to put this through my new juicer. It is grass, and I wanted to show you as well this sorrel. That is a bent leaf one. There are probably going to be a lot of bent leaf because I just went out. There's a plethora of them outside and pulled them up. They like growing in shady, wet areas here in Ecuador. I wanted to show you this, and then perhaps it will be added on. The sorrel is something that is found, I know that it's found in the UK. It is also found in parts of the United States. You might refer to it as clover. This one had the stems coming up that had the long purple flowers on it. Some of these tend to have yellow flowers. Just a little botanical knowledge for you. In terms of finding edible greens, that's another whole entire video. In terms of properly identifying supply, how much to take, how much your body can take, their medicinal properties or not, their nutritional properties. I have you can see here, I was convinced to just get a juicer. The blender method is so good, but on doing, when I decide to go days juicing, I really want to be able to juice, even though it is the well-known, not favorite model of going round, 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 round. If it goes round, 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 many rotation times, it is not the favored model of supreme juicers, especially if you want to save the juice. I make it fresh. I wanted something to go through instead of wearing out my blender more. I wanted to try it. It's very affordable. This is Ecuador. They don't sell Vitamix here so far that I have found it. So this was an affordable model. I'm going to give it a go. I'll stop talking because I'll keep going on about the juicer. But I put through a cucumber, and I put through some celery and some carrot, and was very relieved I didn't have to put water through. I will still keep using the blender for things like, I have to say, with the turmeric and the ginger making juice, to get it going with the water, because these roots, I think you could, even with the carrot juice making it. Education. The blender is going to have more to hold on to and still extract a lot of the really good stuff. This one's just going to do whatever it's doing. I'm happy to have it as a juicer and not have to keep using the blender, and hoping that it's going to make juice each day. All right, much love to you. Grass, wood sorrel, juicing, juicer. I hope you're well.